What if I told you that you can make a perfect fried egg in the air fryer? Start with an oven-safe ramekin, give it a quick spray of olive oil and toss it into a 400-degree air fryer for about 4 minutes to preheat. While that heats up, let's make a breakfast sandwich. Spray an English muffin with olive oil, smash some sausage into an English muffin-sized patty and set it aside. Now open that air fryer and drop your egg into that hot ramekin. Hit it with salt and pepper, and look at that, it's already cooking. Back in the air fryer at 360 degrees for 4 to 6 minutes. I throw the sausage in at the same time. I toss the English muffin in for the last 4 minutes, and once the egg came out, I cranked it up to 400 degrees for 1 minute to brown the sausage and muffin. I got a perfectly jammy runny egg in 5 minutes. Perfect egg, perfect sandwich, easy AF. Want more air fryer wins? Hit that like and subscribe button, and as always, thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.